Concerns this evening from residents of Parottee in St. Elizabeth about the absence of utilities and infrequent supply of a social service which they lament have worsened since the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Krista Campbell explains.
Garbage trucks make their way through the streets of the seaside St. Elizabeth community of Parottee. A sight for sore eyes, according to at least one resident who complains the service has been irregular for some time. The trucks were in the area as several government agencies led a post-hurricane cleanup of bulky waste this week.
The resources in relation to garbage collection have been stretched because a lot of it has had to be focused on cleaning up the bulky waste. So it has impacted the regular, consistent pickup of garbage. Nonetheless, we continue to work with the solid waste management team to try and bring some regularity back. We're very, very happy that the NSWMA would have gotten some additional trucks and they're getting some additional equipment. So now those can be really targeted at the bulky waste removal, and then the garbage trucks can go back to their regular routines.
Floyd Green is Member of Parliament for Southwest St. Elizabeth. He's urging residents to give it some time before they see a more routine garbage collection.
As the people of Parottee continue their cleanups and rebuilding after Hurricane Melissa on this cold Monday afternoon, they're demanding answers. Answers to issues they say existed before the hurricane.
One of those issues, the absence of piped water.
3 months since Hurricane Melissa, and it's the first time we're getting proper drinking water from the government. All the time I buy, we have to buy 35,000 for a truck. I'm now work since the start.
Over 6 years now, we don't have no running water around this community in Parottee, St. Elizabeth. And we need some answers from the relevant authority. Because I've been promised from I was down here that we're going to get water from Ballintoba, that before general election and the local government election. But until now, I haven't seen any water supply here. Currently running through my pipe for the past 6 years.
So this is one of the oldest residential areas in St. Elizabeth. The entire piping network is aged and degraded. It wouldn't be 6 years because we would have commissioned new water lines maybe 2 years ago going into Black River, which ultimately feeds this area. But the lines which come from Black River into this area are actually severely degraded. So prior to Hurricane Melissa, we had plans to rerun pipelines along the space. Obviously, determination has to be made around exactly how many residents will still remain to determine the final size of the pipelines.
MP Green explained another reason for the delays in water restoration in Parottee.
This community is having particular challenges with water, largely because some of the main pumps have not been restored in terms of electricity and are being run out of generation support, which does not give the sort of extent of coverage that you need.
He says work is being done with the Jamaica Public Service and the National Water Commission to restore those utilities to the area as soon as possible. Minister Matthew Samuda was asked about a timeline for water restoration.
We're not able to at this stage. I mean, if you look at the level of degradation and damage behind us, that will take some time.
He says until that happens, water is being trucked to the community almost daily. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.